What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my bedroom and I'm going to be switching some of my decor around. I did go around the house and pick out different decor items that I wanted to put in my bedroom. I'm going to do it with you guys, so this will be exciting. If you guys want to watch me declutter my room and switch shit around in here, then just keep on watching. Then press play. I would have been so mad if I didn't press play the whole time. I'm going to be starting with my shelves. I kind of already know like what I want to replace. A step stool, because I'm really freaking short, so I need that baby so I can like get up here on this baby. Hopefully I don't die. But got my step stool. Now I'm all ready to go. Rock and roll, baby. Okay, these three things are going to be switched around and put somewhere else. These two things I'm going to put away for Halloween because I just don't really want them right now. This little baby right here, the skull head, it's really pretty. I'm going to put this in my bathroom because I got an awesome shower curtain for Christmas, so I thought I'd put this in the bathroom because it would match it like way better. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take this down, put it here, and I'm going to take this tree down and I'm going to put it here. Put those there for now. They're going to go into the Halloween basket where I have all my Halloween stuff. I have some newer items that I want to put up that I found around my house. That's what I'm going to do. I'll put you guys down over here and then I can talk to you guys over here because it's just a lot easier. Okay. And I found this in my living room and it's really glittery. And this black cat I had in my bathroom, I'm going to put it in my bedroom. This is going to go in my bedroom, and I got these black flowers with a spider. Actually, there's a couple spiders. There's one here, one here. I think there's actually only like 2 spiders on here, and then the rest is just like these black flowers here. I got these from Dollarama for like $1.25, I think they were. So I'm just gonna take this like vase or whatever the hell it is. I'm just gonna put these flowers in it because I think that it would look really cute. So that's why I want to put this in my room. So put that up on my shelf. I did get the 2 decor items up there, so I'll show you guys it quickly and then I'll go on to the next shelf. There is the shelf redone. I'm gonna go on to the next shelf, which is this one. So on here I want to take that witch off the shelf and put her with Andy. Actually, there he is. Right there. So I'm gonna go and do that. Okay, I'm just gonna get her down. Oh no! Almost tried to take me out. My little witch doll. She's really cute. I really like her little dress. Pinned him to the wall by his hair a little bit so he didn't like slump down and like fall over, because that's what he was doing. They have each other, so the thing that I actually want to take down is this. It's a black cat I got from like the Dollar Tree or Dollarama, one of them. I like it, it's really cute, but I'm just gonna put it away for Halloween decor. Like switch this around because I mean I don't know what the hell's going on here. I don't know why I put the red skull there. I'm just gonna switch it around here. There. Looks That looks better. So I have, oh, what is going on with my hair? Okay, so I got these lights from the Dollar Tree and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna put them in my room. But honestly, you guys, I don't use them. They're just there. So I thought that they would be better for Halloween because they are like Halloween lights. They're these like white skull lights and these spider lights. And these are the lights I'm talking about right here. Those spider purple lights and these little like skull lights. I put them here, but they just feel useless. So I'm just gonna get not rid of them, I'm just gonna put them away. What's going on here? Whoa, whoa. You guys don't want to go that close. Okay, so I have this candle and I have that candle, and I'm thinking of putting those two candles together because I think it would be cool. So I'm gonna go and see what I think about that. So there's the candles side by side. I think it looks kind of cool. The candles beside each other, and I have now this, so I don't know where I want to put my hand. I got this Michael Myers shot glass that was over there, but I think I want to put it up on the shelf right here, like almost near my dolls and everything. I think I found a spot for my hand, my red hand that I showed you guys earlier. So my hand's up there. Okay guys, now I'm going to go around quickly and just dust everything that I have to dust. So I'm just going to use these disinfectant wipes and just go around the room and just dust some of the decor items and my shelves and stuff. No idea what else to like switch around, change up. I have no idea. So until then, I'm just going to leave it the way that it is right now and see what else happens later on.